Most people spend 6 months posting content and getting nowhere. If I had to generate $100,000 in the next 6 months without relying on social media, this is exactly what I would do. Not theory, a month-by-month execution plan. This is the same structure we've used to help people turn earned wisdom and authority into scalable businesses without chasing followers. If you're thinking, I don't have a big audience, I don't want to be an influencer, or this sounds unrealistic, awesome. Because this plan doesn't require virality. It requires clarity and structure. And this matters right now. Attention is more fragmented than ever. And most people are confusing visibility with revenue. But before we break down this month-by-month plan, I put together a knowledge bank business plan that's gonna help you implement what we talk about in this video today. So just comment business plan below this video and we'll send you the link to access it on demand. So now let's start with the biggest misconception. Business has been around a lot longer than social media has, and businesses have grown for a very long time without having to rely on social media. So social media is not required necessarily to build a 6-figure business. That belief that you need thousands of followers and thousands of strangers on the internet to know who you are in order to build a successful business, that is built on a creator mindset, not a business mindset. Content creators and business owners have fundamentally different strategies, but the problem is generally you're using the wrong one. Content creators monetize off of things like brand deals, sponsorship, and AdSense. They are getting paid based on the amount of eyeballs and attention that they get on their content. They need to be everywhere posting consistently because their income depends on volume and being blessed by the algorithm gods. Business owners monetize through specificity, helping specific people solve specific problems, getting specific results. So in that case, we always like to bring it back to the math because that makes this make sense. So I'm gonna pose a question to you. Would you rather have 100,000 followers who never ever intend to buy anything from you, or 50 ideal clients paying you $2,000 each? That's $0 versus $100,000. The choice is obvious. So this is what we call the peace, purpose, and profit trifecta. So what do we mean by peace? It means you're not trapped in the content creation hamster wheel. Your business runs without you needing to post every single day or chase the latest algorithm changes. Purpose means you're creating real transformation for people who genuinely need your help, not just entertaining casual scrollers who will forget you in 5 seconds. Profit means you're building actual wealth, not just collecting followers and likes that don't pay your bills. Allie's a great example of this. So she had an in-person yoga studio and she was able to have 10 people in her class at a time. That was her max though. She could never serve more than 10 people. And now she's created this scalable program that served thousands of people and taught them the power of yoga nidra all over the world, allowing her to run her business from anywhere. She now spends half her year in Costa Rica with her husband and their 2 young kids. And the lesson here is we oftentimes want to measure our success by vanity metrics like likes, followers, subscribers, but we like to measure our success based on impact, freedom, and the ability to make the choice on how you want to work, when you want to work, and who you want to work with. And when that becomes clear, everything changes because you stop trying to be everywhere and you start focusing on the only places you need to be to really attract the right clients for you. So let's break down the math of this 6-month plan. So $100,000 over 6 months equals about $16,700 per month, which becomes completely achievable when you understand you do not need thousands of clients to achieve that goal. You need the right clients at the right price point. Most people hear $100,000 in 6 months and think that's impossible. But when you're selling transformation instead of information, the economics actually change drastically. So here's the math that makes it achievable. 17 clients per month at $1,000 each equals $17,000 per month, which actually puts you over the $100,000 target. 8 clients per month at $2,000 each equals $16,000 per month, $96,000 in 6 months. 3 clients per month at $5,000 each equals $15,000 per month, or $90,000 in 6 months. So suddenly we're not talking about needing hundreds or even thousands of followers. We're talking about needing 3 to 17 clients on a monthly basis, which is completely doable when you have the right system in place. Where the math goes wrong and the system gets broken is people think that if they sell to more people, they're gonna have a better opportunity at financial freedom. The reality is more people means more marketing, more clients needed, more conversations, more broken funnels. All of those things come up and you're getting more people with a lower return. When you focus on selling to the right people at the right time, you need less people, you get a better impact with those people because they're truly invested, and ultimately you have more brain freedom to really serve at the highest level because you're not trying to appeal to the masses at a surface level. So the hardest part of this is not the financial goal. Even though that might seem like it's the case, I hope that's becoming clear. That's not the hard part. The hardest part is to get crystal clear on what actually makes this math work, which is who do you serve and what are you going to help them achieve? So that's why the first 2 months of this entire roadmap focus on that alone. So month 1 and 2 is clarity plus conversation equals cash flow. So these first 2 months are about validation, not creation. So most people make one of two mistakes when they're trying to build an offer. And in our case, we're talking about helping people turn their expertise, their knowledge, their wisdom into a scalable online program. Okay, so you're turning earned authority into scalable authority that doesn't require you trading your time for money. So the mistakes that people make are they try to just build an audience first, or they try to build the entire program in isolation, make it perfect, and then nobody wants to buy it. Both approaches waste time and money. So we do something a little different and we build both at the same time. And this is what we call your prototype. So it's your profitable offer prototype. It is the ugliest, most bare bones version of what you're ultimately going to offer. And it serves three crucial purposes. Validates your niche and that people actually want it, generates the initial cash flow you need to have security in the business to move forward, and builds a ton of confidence in what you have to offer before you spend months or even years building a polished version of your offer. So Kirby is a really great example of this. He's one of our clients and he's a short-term rental specialist. He helps professionals diversify their income through semi-passive real estate investments. And he used this exact method to pre-sell his program before he built it. And the result is he went from prototype to now having a scalable online program that has gone from $0 to $1 million in just 4 years. And here's why it works. What this does, it allows you to fast track the learning process to figure out what your exact target client needs from day one and to get them in the door and have them invest from day one. So you can learn with them and iterate with them to make it the best possible product without you sitting there in isolation thinking you know what people want and then no one ever really wanting to buy it. So you are validating from the very beginning before you even build out the whole program. Then once you go through that round of delivering it to your first group of prototype clients, then you can go ahead and build it into the scalable offer that can be the best possible version because you have so much real world feedback to do so. So in order to create a really powerful pop or a profitable offer prototype, there are three absolute non-negotiables. First, define your unique transformation statement or your unique selling proposition. So that looks like this. I help specific person go from current state, which is usually their zero state and where they're most challenged, frustrated, and in pain, to hero state, which is their desired outcome, so that they can achieve ultimate desired feelings. So in Kirby's case, it sounds like this. I help working professionals with families who feel stuck in corporate jobs go from staring down retirement at 65 to acquiring short-term rental properties so they can generate income when they're not working and be more present with their families. And there is actually a tool that will help you fast track identifying your transformation statement in a matter of minutes inside of that Knowledge Bank business plan. So be sure to grab that at the link in the description. It is free and you can access it on demand. And the second thing you would absolutely need is you need to know the three factors of who your ideal client is. Who they are, where they are on their journey, where they need the most help and they're in the most pain, and their specific outcome that they're looking to achieve. Third, you need to build your potential client pipeline. And again, social media is not required here. It starts with the people that you know, which I know sounds shocking, but it starts with really those offline connections. It starts with the people in your network. At the end of the day, if you are good at what you do and you build credibility and authority, you absolutely know people in your peer group, in your network, etc., who would be very helpful in one, potentially being an ideal client for you or introducing you to your ideal clients. So it works in a very specific way to build your potential client pipeline. Warm, cold, then magnetic messaging. You start with warm audience, who introduces you to the cold audience. That builds your audience, period. And then you start creating magnetic messaging, which is what we call it, to nurture and to educate that audience on why you're the authority and why they would want to work with you. So when you think of your lowest hanging fruit, which is your warm network, which is absolutely where you need to start just to get your reps in to start building confidence, think of things like friends, family, peer group, network, and you're going to reach out with a really simple message. Do you know anyone who's struggling with the specific problem that you're going to solve? And that could be the person you're reaching out to, or it could be somebody that they know, but at least it opens the door. And I challenge you to actually do this right now because you'll be surprised at how many people will want to respond and want to help you with this. But here's the critical thing. You are not selling to anyone right now. These conversations are strictly to do research. You're gonna get them on quick 30-minute Zoom conversations or meet them for a coffee, and you're gonna ask them, what are your pains, struggles, frustrations, and dreams around this topic? These conversations teach you so much about what you need to be creating with your offer, and they validate that you're targeting the right person at the right place. And at the end of every single conversation, you simply say, thank you so much for sharing all of this with me. It's so valuable and so helpful. If you happen to know anybody else who's struggling with this, could you introduce me to them? And you'd be shocked at how well that works to build an audience without, again, having to tap into going online and hoping a bunch of strangers are going to help you. The people who are in your realm are going to be more likely to get the process started for you. And then again, you can tap into things like online networks at a certain point, but start with the people who actually have respect and trust built with you right now, rather than trying to go with people who are online who have no trust built with you. So you are not selling anything. You are simply listening, and you are listening with the intent to create a solution. that solves the problem for these people that you're speaking to. So these 2 months are truly about research. They're not about revenue. You're laying the foundation to make everything else you do better and easier. From there, you enter into month 3. And this is where you're going to pre-sell and enroll your first clients. So you're going to pre-sell your program, and you're going to generally pre-sell to the people that you've had those conversations with. See how that works? So research turns ultimately into revenue. So the people who were the best fit, you're going to go back to them and be like, hey, thanks so much for sharing all that with me. I've actually created something that I think could really help you. Do you want to hear about it? And most people will say, heck yes, I do. And that builds out your first clients for your prototype, again, without you having to spend all this time posting or marketing or all of that stuff. And it prevents you from spending months building something that nobody wants. So you're getting these people in the door, you're creating a live delivery version of this program first, because that is going to tell you what works and what doesn't. So you can make the scalable version of it, the pre-recorded version of it that you're going to do after you finish your pop way better than you ever thought it could be. So all you need at this point to pre-sell is a curriculum outline. You need to know clearly what's the 0 state, what's the hero state, enroll the people who match the 0 state, who most of these people you've actually talked to in your research interviews. And then you're going to prove the offer. Week by week, you're going to deliver it live. You're going to iterate each week. You're going to just have it in Google Docs and Zoom meetings and keep it as simple as possible. And that work is going to lay, like I said, the foundation for you to be able to scale from, because you have a great offer, you know who you serve, and you know what you're serving them with, which is the foundation of a scalable business. Your clients get great results, you get validation and cash flow, everybody wins. So to sum this all up, first, you structure your delivery. So you're going to use Google Docs for your lesson plans, and you're going to adjust them slightly each week. We've had so many clients tell us that if they didn't do this live version, it would have made the program completely in the wrong order and it would have been a complete mess. So it's important that you don't perfect it before you start delivering it. You're going to use Zoom for your live teaching sessions, and then you're going to create a private community. You can do that through something like a Facebook group, or there's many other platforms that you can do that on as well. You don't need a website, you don't need funnels, you don't need anything fancy. And the second thing you do is you reach out to all those people that you interviewed, and the ones who were the most ideal fit, you go back to them and you simply tell them that you built the thing that would solve their problem, get them onto another call, and most likely there's gonna be a lot of them that are gonna convert and enroll. We've seen this with so many of our clients. They sell out or oversell their pops with the people that they just simply did their research interviews with. You've already established trust, you've validated their needs, and you've built the thing that they need. Much easier than trying to go and shout into the void on social media and hope that somebody buys. Third, you set a clear start date and an enrollment period. This creates urgency and momentum for the kickoff of your entire business and program. Then you're moving into month 4 and 5 where you're actually delivering this live. So this means weekly group calls to support, answer questions, and create acceleration for your clients, your private community where everybody can support one another and help each other out with any challenges, create accountability as well to see others progressing and keeping people up with that momentum, immediate feedback when something needs more depth or clarity, and really building this supportive structure that, yes, involves you, but also involves all of your clients in taking ownership of their results. So during these 6 weeks, you are achieving multiple goals simultaneously that take most businesses years to achieve. You're delivering transformation for your clients. They're getting real results, moving from where they were to where they want to be, experiencing the change you promised. It doesn't have to be the whole transformation, but you are giving them momentum towards that target and that goal. Refining your curriculum, what works stays and gets better. What doesn't work gets adjusted or replaced. You're optimizing based on real data. You're collecting testimonials when clients get wins. You document them immediately. You're building confidence in your ability to deliver. You're proving to yourself that you can consistently help people achieve this transformation. And that confidence is priceless for everything that comes next. So don't skip the live delivery phase, because everything you learn in this phase is worth more than any theory or planning or creating perfect looking videos. So by the end of month 5, you have generated considerable cash flow in your business from your first cohort, a proven curriculum that consistently gets results, happy clients with real transformation stories, confidence in your ability to deliver this outcome repeatedly, and clear understanding of your ideal client's journey from your research plus the live experience. And now you have everything you need to scale. And that's where we're headed next. So in the final month, you are setting yourself up for long-term sustainable growth without burnout. And you're creating a true system that can attract qualified leads and clients, again, when you're not actively working. And generally, that is going to be based on a discoverable platform, a search-based platform, and we use YouTube, but you can also use things like blogs or other search-based platforms. People come to YouTube actively seeking out solutions to their problems and looking for answers to their questions. So it is the perfect place when you have expertise and authority to go to create what we call assets. And assets are really the videos that you make that answer these questions, solve these problems, address these pain points that are consistently being discovered by the people who need you most. That doesn't require a big audience. It requires creating targeted videos that attract the right people. We actually just had one of our clients post her first ever video, and she generated 2 leads within the first hour, qualified leads too. So it doesn't matter how many people are following you, how many subscribers you have, it matters how targeted your content is, and you would not know how to create that kind of content without going through the process of launching your pop, doing your prototype, and then turning it into the scalable offer. So this creates what we call the authority flywheel that starts to really work for you on autopilot. Step 1, you create hyper-relevant content for your specific ideal client that solves a specific problem they're actively searching for. Step 2, YouTube's algorithm learns exactly who to show your videos to based on who watches, how long they watch, and what actions they take. Step 3, the algorithm sends you more of those exact people, viewers who match your ideal client profile and are looking for your specific solution. Step 4, you turn those viewers into email subscribers through strategic call to actions that nurture them into clients through your email sequence. And step 5, each video feeds data back into the flywheel, making it spin faster and more accurately over time. So the beauty of this flywheel is it prioritizes an entirely different metric than most people think that they need to be aiming for on a platform like YouTube. You think you need to be aiming for views. In reality, you need to be aiming for dollars per subscriber. When you have the right audience, 100 subscribers can turn into $10,000. That is $100 per subscriber, which is vastly different than the 1 to 3 cents per view you get from something like AdSense. So your business isn't built on vanity metrics. It's built on one simple question. How much is each subscriber or each viewer worth to my business? So in month 6, your goal is to create your first 8 strategic, what we call test videos in a very intentional order. Not 100 videos, not trying to cover everything, not posting daily, but very strategic and intentional content that can convert into actual clients. So how you do this is you do 2 videos for hot prospects. That means you're addressing the most urgent pain points for your most ideal client. 3 videos for warm prospects. So these people know they have a problem, but they're not quite in a place where they know they need to invest, because that's ultimately going to build a pipeline of potential buyers later on. And 3 videos for the cold prospects. So these are the people that we say are at the top of the funnel and they don't totally know they have a problem right now. They're just sort of discovering it. So these videos create awareness and position you as a trusted authority and bring people into your universe that may not be ready right now, but eventually will move down the funnel and will be ready to buy from you. These videos work for you forever. That's why we call them assets. We call them evergreen lead machines, because these videos, when done right, when made intentionally for the right people and not for a mass audience, they will continue to compound and work for you and generate leads and sales for you even when you're not working. So by the end of month 6, you've built your complete system that can scale truly to the moon. A validated offer that delivers real results proven through your live delivery, client testimonials that build trust, documented wins from your first cohort, an evergreen content library generating leads 24/7, which is your first 8 strategic videos, predictable monthly revenue, clients flowing through your funnel consistently, and a business that serves your life instead of consuming it. So the peace, purpose, and profit trifecta. So that is how you go from 0 to 100,000 without needing to rely on social media. I know it sounds really simplistic, but the reality is, like I said, businesses were built long before social media existed. And it is much easier to engage and work with somebody who already has a built-in sense of trust from you, whether that's through a referral in your network or somebody that you took the time to sit down and actually listen to and validate what they're going through, versus trying to convert people online who have no real awareness of who you are and how you really support people. That is a much longer game to play. So you want to be using strategic systems that turn your wisdom, your knowledge, your authority into a scalable business. So 6 months, that's all it takes to build the foundation for a really successful business. This is how our clients have gone from 0 to, in some cases, multiple millions per year without spending money on ads, just having a reliable lead system set up for their business with an owned audience. And I'm also going to be honest, nothing we do is for a short-term burst of success. I always say short success is easy, the long game is a lot harder. And it takes strategy and it takes thought and it takes research up front, but it builds the foundation for everything that can last in the long run. So this is strategic focused work that takes consistency and patience. So it might feel slow at times, it might feel hard, but you know what's even harder? Spending every day posting on social media, hoping that one day someone magically is going to buy from you. So again, choose your heart, because at the end of the day, at the end of this 6 months, you'll have something that most entrepreneurs never really have, which is a validated, proven offer that they know they can grow with. And that's really more than a business, it's a foundation for freedom. So if you're ready to stop guessing and trying to do this on your own, be sure to click the link in the description to access our Knowledge Bank business plan. It's going to walk you through exactly how to do this for yourself and really own this for yourself. So click that link, you'll be able to access it for free and on demand. And if you want to take this a step further, you can check out this video where we show you how to build a 10K a month business in 10 minutes using AI. Thank you so much for watching. I love to hear your takeaways in the comments, so please let me know what your light bulbs were. It is my love language, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.